My name is Zach. This is my channel, UltimateRebuilds, and I bought a boat that I've been turning into a party boat for the past 2 months-ish, and it is time to take it out. Well, let's see if it floats. Stay tuned. Now, before we can take it out on the lake, there's a few things I want to add to it. I bought some LED lights, some more cup holders, just some random stuff, and then there's a couple important things I need to do. I bought a fire extinguisher I need to put in there, life jackets, an anchor rope, just a bunch of essentials that I need to have ready to go to take it out there. So I'm just terrified of it sinking right now. I don't know how it could sink. I mean, it shouldn't sink, so I don't know why I'm so scared of it, but just double check everything, make sure it's all good to go, and then we can go out there. Yeah, let's get to work. So I originally made this box to cover the gas tank. I don't think I like it. I like the look of the gas tank a lot better than this. I rushed a lot of this, so it's not really super clean. I was gonna clean it up, but I don't think I like it. I'm just gonna take it off and run it with just the tank. Maybe eventually I'll buy something that looks kind of good, but I don't like this. I don't like it at all, actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off right now. Yeah, I think this looks a lot better. The red stands out, but maybe I can find another color tank, maybe a black tank. maybe paint this eventually, but I don't think the paint would actually stick to this, so it's probably not a good idea. Just run it like this for now until I think of something else to do. The good thing about these tanks are it has like a quick release, and I can easily take this tank off and put like a smaller tank on here as like a secondary or an emergency tank. I can keep it stored underneath or back here in this corner. Just makes it really easy, and yeah, I think this looks better. Now, you know, I added LED cup holders up here all the way around. I wanted to add them in the middle too. The only thing is I can't, because the post actually screws on, there's no way to run a wire through here without it getting all tangled and cut up. Eventually, I'm gonna buy a whole new pole and a new base setup. That way I can run wires up here if I want to. That's not gonna be for a long time in the future. Who knows if I ever actually do it. It's just, I don't know if it's worth all that work just for a couple lights, so I don't know. Maybe in the future I can add something up here. Also, stored all the life jackets underneath the seats. I got 9 life jackets. I'm gonna order a couple more just in case. But yeah, all neatly stored in there. Anchors underneath this seat. This one is empty. I'll probably put the buoys, like the bumper things that go on the side of the boat. I'll probably store those in there once they come in. Now, I added this extra seat up here, you know, might as well. That way 6 people can sit around the bar, maybe play a card game or something. It's easily removable. The problem with the base in the back for the captain's chair is it didn't have a nut at the bottom. Apparently they make bases that have a nut that you actually screw this kind of pedestal on. Does that make sense? There's like a little nut at the bottom of it, but that's the kind of base you need to buy. So if I wanted to keep the pedestal in the back, I would have to replace this whole thing back there. But this is very easy removable. You can still get inside if you need to, like emergency, you need to grab the fire extinguisher. You can still get to it pretty easily. But if you want to remove the seat for any reason, it easily is removable, and you can store it underneath the bar if you wanted to. Now, talking about these pedestals, people have noticed they're starting to rust and they're actually looking really bad right now. But these were temporary. I said that kind of from the beginning. I didn't like how they didn't bolt down to the ground, and there wasn't a whole lot of walking room. So I am building new pedestals that are actually swingable. They're gonna mount up on a post right here somewhere, and I'm gonna build all that eventually. I haven't fully thought of the design yet, but these are getting replaced, so I'm not really too worried about the rust right now. Just watch it, make sure it's not staining the floor. Now that actually leads me to the captain's chair. The original plan was to have a post right here, adjustable. The only problem was my knees hit right here, and it wasn't very comfortable at all. Now the plan for this is to make a whole new base, have it bolted to the ground, but have the post come up and then curve, and maybe come up right here. That way it's kind of hanging over this. There's a little bit more room for your knees to sit back here. Yeah, I haven't thought of the whole design yet, but that's the general idea of it. So this base is gonna get replaced. I'm just gonna keep it there to hide the hole for now. But the seat is gonna be replaced, and that's all future stuff along with these pedestals. Now the weather's not the best right now. It's a bit windy and it rained a little bit earlier, but I really wanna take it out today, and today is like the only day I can take it out. So we're gonna send it. If it survives in this weather, you know, it should last in pretty much any normal day weather. So we're gonna take it out anyway, and yeah, let's get it hooked up and take it down to the lake.
For a second, it's not starting no more.
Look at that.
It's on the side of the throttle. It's on the side, like a big black button.
Okay.
Throttle.
Okay.
Push that in, push it forward. Now start.
You dumb.
Turn.
Don't hit the dock.
Jeez, Jody, you're so quick.
Wait, where are you going now?
Zach, go to the other side. Hurry, bud.
Recording all
Yes, kinda, I think.
a little bit closer. Nice.
Let's jump.
That's as close as I can get, buddy.
He's gonna hit into this stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if that's bad.
Just, hey, we'll come back for you. We'll come back for you. How do I put it in reverse?
No, he's got it. He's got it.
The boat, bro. I have no clue what
Did he just shut the boat off?
I don't know what I did. Bro.
Wait, the car's on.
Well,
I can't tell you how much fun we had last night. This thing is amazing. I can't believe it's mine. I can't believe I did all this work. I can't believe it's kind of done. Now, I did learn a few things last night. A couple problems. The throttle isn't wanting to go on neutral sometimes. I think I just need to adjust it on the motor itself. Not a big deal. I don't think it's gonna be that hard. If you have any suggestions on how to help me do that, yeah, that'd be great. Now, I said I was gonna replace these pole seats and create my own brackets, but I can tell you last night it was so nice to be able to move these around however you wanted. You know, people are all different sizes, so you wanna be in closer to the bar or farther away from the bar. If you have a swinging thing, it's only gonna be like one distance and one height. I don't know yet. I just really liked being able to move these. It's just, maybe I can find some that look a little bit better and won't rust. Maybe I can just paint these. I don't know. I really don't know. I just telling you, I really like being able to move these last night. But maybe it'll be different whenever I build my own stuff. Still gonna build this back bracket though, for the back seat, because I needed one last night. Moving up front, the fire pit was a big hit. It was super cool at night. Kept us warm. It was a little chilly out there. You may have noticed all the bugs on the ground. They were actually blind mosquitoes. It's a common thing in Florida, especially around lakes. They don't bite or anything. They just got everywhere, but This flooring made it super easy just to wash it all off. It took like 5 minutes. It was really nice. Same thing with the seats, just wash them off on the seats. Now the weight seemed fine. There was only 4 of us last night, so I don't think it's gonna teach us a whole lot, but the weight was in the back how it should have been. Whenever we were sitting up front, it wasn't sinking down too far. We weren't getting water splashing over us. It all seemed fine, but I think we'll learn more once we have more people on here, maybe like 8 or 9 people. But yeah, this was really cool. I loved everything about it. I just can't wait to go out again. It's just the weather has been awful this week, so got to wait till a couple more weeks to go out again. But I can't wait. If you guys have any more questions or you notice something I need to fix, let me know in the comments, please. Love hearing from you guys. And that's a wrap for this episode, guys. It's kind of done. There's a little bit of other stuff I need to add to it. Like I said, I want to add those lights, fix the throttle, and then just a couple other little things. It's not super important. But I have to say, this was a very successful first run. I expected a lot more stuff to go wrong, especially going out there at night and with friends who are not the most helpful at the moment. So yeah, it was a fun night though, and I'm really excited about everything that's gonna go on with this boat, all the fun memories I'm gonna have with it, so yeah. But like I said, this is not the final video of it. I have some more stuff I'm gonna add, some big things coming. And also, I just wanna get more footage because the weather was just really sucky this week. We have a hurricane down south and it's just messing up the weather. It almost made me not go out yesterday, and it would have been a sad week without a video, so I was glad I was able to get out there, and my friends did help me a lot, so thank you to them. But yep, that is it. If you are interested in buying any merch, I have a store. You can check out the merch there. Also Instagram, I posted a lot of videos of us out on the lake that night that we took it out, so it was really fun. Check me out there if you want to, and if not, I will see you guys in the next episode next week. See ya.